Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So this is me. I'm Tanisha, Mahzabin. I'm a student of grade 8 2024 at Mahzabin and College Manda, Naogaon. So I'm here with new grammar topic. So I hope you can see in the screen that right from our verse. So this is more important and difficult topic of English grammar that we have to be skilled and learn more perfectly. So to improve our pronunciation, to improve our speaking test and also writing. So I'm here with one rule of right from a verb. So at first you have to know that word is verb and what is the definition from what is the origin of verb. So verb comes from Old French verbi and Latin verbum. So verbi is a French word and verbum is a Latin word and verb is an English word. So here the definition: a verb is the action or state of being of a sentences, or a verb is a doing word. So without verb we can't find out or we can't make any kind of sentences. Verb is the root or the heart of the sentences. So our rule is here that we are working with one rule. So depending one rule is an exceptional rule. So I'm working with depending one rule the exceptional styles. So our main rule is when we can see the subject is a third person singular number in a sentences. For example, he, she, it, or any name, then we have to add with verb s, es, and is. But here the question is which kind of verb we have to add s, which kind of verb we have to add es, and which kind of verb we have to add is. So our today's discussion depending on this kind of question, that when we're using s, yes, and is. So here the rule that when we can you can see, I hope you can see the screen the detailed information, but I'm telling you in a shortcut that when you can see in a sentence verb last word s, ch, x, o, or z, then you have to add es in the last of the sentences to create present indefinite tense. So here the exceptional is also the example: he misses the train. Here last two words are verb. Here subject, verb, and object. Here verb is miss. So last two words ss. That's why we have to add es after miss to create present indefinite form, because he is a third person singular number subject. So here second rule. Teacher teaches us. Here subject, verb, and object. Here teacher is also third person singular number subject. That's why you have to add es after verb, because the last two words of the verb is ch. So here this is also a exceptional that when ch is most important, ch spelling in the Bengali alphabet cho, then we have to add es, and when c is spelling Bengali alphabet ko, then we have to add just s. No need for yes. So here for example stomach, the last pronunciation or is the word is ko, that's why we have to add s, and teach ch cho, last word is cho, that's why we have to add yes. So I hope you can understand that which kind of verb you can add yes and which kind of verb you have to add just s. So let's go to our next pages. Here is a Bengali definition you can see for your better understanding. So example, match. Here is also an example that last word is ch and spelling or pronunciation is cho. That's why I have to use add es after the verb to create present indefinite form. And stomach is a ko. That's why I have to add just s. So etc. There is many kind of example in English grammar. You can add any kind of example for your better understanding. So here also a rule. Here's a Bengali definition you can see. So when in a word after the last word of a verb is y, and also the before word of y, before letter of y is consonant, just we have to transfer y to I and add just es. So and is a rule of consonant. When we can see, I'm repeating the rule that when we can see last letter of the verb y, and also the before letter of y is consonant, just we have to add y into I and then plus is. For example, cry, last word is y and r is a consonant. That's why to create present indefinite form or tenses that we have to transfer y to I and just es. And here's also rule for vowel. So when we can see the last letter of the verb is y and also before letter is vowel, then just no need for added transfer y to I. Just you have to add s. Is better, or that's it. So here by just bias and stay just stays for example. So you can see the screen for your better understanding. So let's go to our next pages. Okay. So here's some rule and also some examples which referred by famous English personality in English grammar that we have learned. That first is, okay, here, time and tide waits for no man. Here, two subjects. Here is referred by Wren and Martin in English high school grammar into pages 235. So, Wren and Martin prefers a grammar book, and the pages of this grammar book 235. We can see time and tide waits for no man. He referred here that waits. So he referred that we can use here waits. So, and second example, time and tide wait for no man. Here there is no, but in the previous sentence we can see here waits, but in this sentence there is no yes, there is no s, and this is referred by Chaucer. And Geoffrey Chaucer is the father of English grammar, father of English literature. So he have referred that there is no need for s's. So our third example, the time and tide waits for no one. First example and third example is same. Then this is referred by Ram Manohar Lohia, is an English novelist. So he has also thought that here is no need for just wait. We have to add s. And our fourth, time and tide wait for no man, but time always stands still for the women of 30. So here referred by Robert Frost. He's an English poet. He's a famous English poet. So he has also thought that there is no need for ages. So he has thought that there's just age, just wait. So I hope you can understand this exceptional rule. You can easily use any kind of sentences example that I'm telling you in this video. So I think this video is helpful for you. Please stay with me for the next video and just practice more right from her, because without practice you can't do well in this kind of side. So I hope you're a better performer. So thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.